Welcome to the first in the series of Wild Garden Can walks. This episode, I choose Attenborough Nature Reserve, run by the Nottingham Wildlife Trust. There is a large variety of wildlife, including many friendly and not so friendly birds to see.
Hey.
It offers a variety of walks situated over 145 hectares or 360 acres. The reserve is full of information boards so people of all skills and knowledge can visit and learn about the species and the environment that they live in. Naturally, a day like today is perfect to come along. The sun is shining and the reserve offers spectacular views whichever way you look. Bird watchers and wildlife photographers come from all over, and the reserve offers places to watch to your viewing pleasure throughout. Grassland habitats encase the gravel pits and wetlands. The Trust does incredible work in creating habitats and maintaining them for wildlife and the thousands of visitors that walk through here every year. Currently, because of the lockdown restrictions, the indoor hides are closed for a good reason. Keep an eye out and they should be open soon. Further down the path we get to the River Trent. The path forks left and right. To the right is a path that follows the River Trent all the way to Longyeaton Marina and then onto Trent Lock. That is a walk for another time. We're keeping left today, keeping within the reserve's boundaries with the River Trent to our right. Grassland and scrubs line the path to the left and is a popular place for birds to nest. itself is peaceful and pleasant, and at this time of year, at the end of May, the air is full of fragrances. I'm personally a mammal fan, especially of the British kind. I still enjoy and like to watch birds, but I'm useless at identifying them through song. Further down the path, 2 more people are also curious, as am I. The park is home to many migrating birds, with the gravel pits attracting wintering wildfowl and the spring and summer waders. The autumn and spring migrations include the greenshank and the little ringed plover. Rarer birds on the site, if you're lucky enough to see, are the curlew sandpiper and the Temerick stint. The reserve was first established in 1966 by Sir David Attenborough. It is home to a large percentage of the county's shoveler and diving ducks. It's also home to great crested grebes, sand martins, kingfishers, bitterns, cormorants, reed and sedge warblers, shelled ducks, terns, widgeons, sawbills and sea ducks. Large variety of bats, which they do run bat walks here, butterflies, dragonflies and otters, voles, shrews and last but not forgotten, the harvest mouse. The paths have many seats and places to rest. It is well looked and maintained, and the fully self-sustained visitor centre hosts a cafe, gift shop, facilities and an educational suite. I walked the shorter route today, and according to my Fitbit, I did 5,504 steps around the reserve. Next time I'll do the longer route and show you that one. It's a fantastic place to come for a walk, get away from it all, be closer to nature and your family, never know what you might see. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Wild Garden Can Walks. Bye!